Hey everyone, this is Alan from BMW Durham back again with another video. We have another new arrival. It's the 2023 BMW X3 xDrive30i in Aventurine Red Metallic. Alright, so we have the 2023 BMW X3 xDrive30i in Aventurine Red Metallic. It's not often that we see an X3 in this color, and it's already cleaned up in our showroom, so I just wanted to take the time to share this color with you on the X3. And the car is actually now sold. It was sitting in our showroom for a little bit, so before they take it out of the showroom, I wanted to just share it with you while it's still nice and clean. And honestly, not everybody is brave enough to take this color. I think this color looks great, and definitely you'll be very individual on the road in this X3. Alright, so right off the bat we can see we've got the Shadowline headlights, and I think this car needs a little bit of a battery charge. Get the headlights on there. It's kind of interesting that you can actually see right through there, but it is looking really nice with that form factor. We've got the one-piece black kidney grille, so everything is blacked out here. M Sport package, everything is blacked out at the bottom, and I think overall that looks really good. If we continue looking at everything here, so M Sport package gives you the color match wheel arches, and we have the 20-inch 699 double spoke wheels, 699M style, sorry, in bicolor with the blue M Sport brakes, and I think that looks also really good. And if we continue along the side of the vehicle, so we've got the little thing on there on the fender, and we've got body colored side mirrors. We have black window surrounds, and I like all these nice body lines going from the front to the rear. And up top we've got the panoramic sunroof, shark fin style antenna, roof spoiler, and then we've got the nice LCI design tail lights on the rear, and there's also a welcome light carpet, but I think I'm just draining this car of battery because it's been in our showroom and people have been looking at it. Alright, so from the rear, I'm just going to press that button to get the tailgate open, and once the tailgate is open, we can see we have a cargo cover here that can retract. We have a button there that you can press to remove the cargo cover. We have 12-volt plug, grocery bag hanger. We've got storage space under here to store the cargo cover. Looks like a tow hook, wheel lock key is inside of there, and some more space where we currently have the carpeted floor mats. You can also remove both of these panels on each side to see a little storage compartment like that down there. Same thing on the other side, just like so. And once we put all these panels back, press the button up top to close, another one to close and lock. However, I've just kicked my foot under the car, so you can get that to close in style. From the rear passenger door, if I open that up, so we do have the aluminum Rhombicle trim inside of here. We've got the Sunshades manual operated, galvanic window controls. Somebody had put the seat down in here to take a look, so we do have the black perforated Sensitech seats inside of here. Headrest can flip up or flip down. Armrest in the center here with some cup holders and pass-through through the center as well. Now we also have vents on the back of the center console. We've got rear climate controls, 2 USB Type-C charging ports, and there are some vents underneath the front seats as well. Let me go and open the front door now. Okay, so from here, we'll open up that front passenger door. So we do have the aluminum M door sill down here, and more aluminum Rhombicle trim. I don't think the ambient lighting is coming on, but this does have ambient lighting. We have power seat, black perforated Sensitech seats over here. Aluminum Rhombicle, iDrive 7, live Cockpit Professional, and down here we do actually have the communication pad and wireless charger, which is indicated by seeing a little battery in the center of that little communication pad picture. Cup holders, 12-volt plug. There's also a USB-A at the front here, and we've got your center console area with gear selector, park assist, automatic engine start stop off, your push start button, Sport Comfort Eco Pro, hill descent control, auto hold, and your electronic parking brake. Open this up and we have USB Type-C charging port in there, and it is illuminated. Open up the glove box, there's the owner's manual, and up top we've got the anthracite headliner, which I love. I can't be in a car anymore that doesn't have a black roof liner. And let's go open the door on the other side so we can take a closer look. Alright, so if we approach from the driver's side, so we do have more of that beautiful aluminum Rhombicle trim, memory seats, and we've also got galvanic controls down here, side mirror controls, rear tailgate controls, aluminum M door sill down here as well, full power seat with lumbar, so the seats look really good and they are very comfortable as well. And we've got the M Sport steering wheel, M badging at the bottom there, cruise control, heated steering wheel, radio controls, paddle shifters on each side in case you'd like to manually shift the gears, signal indicator with automatic high beams, and you've got your wiper stalk on the other side that does have an auto position, which is just one click up. You have your exterior lighting controls, we have your brighten or dim your dash, roadside parking lamps, storage compartment, and let's pull this twice, 1, 2, and see what powers this beast. So when we arrive to the front, it alleviates us from having to find anything. We just simply lift up the hood, and with that open, there it is, the 2-liter inline-4 twin power turbo B46, 248 horsepower, 258 torque, great engine. We have positive battery terminal, we have washer fluid, and we have negative battery terminal down there as that post, and it is labeled as negative. Overall, nice, neat engine bay, lots of great power, good fuel economy, lovely vehicle. Alright, so this car is running a little bit low on battery, so I won't be able to do a remote engine start, cold start in the showroom for you guys. But you've heard what the B46 sounds like. It sounds pretty good for a 4-cylinder. And overall, look how lovely this paint is. And I definitely think this is a great color for a vehicle for Christmas as well. So, looking really good. Okay everyone, so that was my tour of this beautiful 2023 BMW X3 xDrive30i with the Aventurine Red III Metallic and the black Sensatech interior. If you liked the video, you like the car, make sure you like, share, and subscribe. We'll see you on the next video. Thank you so much for watching.